featuring jagged peaks of black ink surrounded by hazy swirls of blue and green paint, Zhang Daqin's 1983 painting Panorama of Manlu is inspired by the tradition of Qinglü Sanshui, a type of Chinese landscape painting. Okay, so we have a present participle phrase that describe the painting. What's featuring? The painting. Painting is featuring here. So subject is the painting, and we got the verb is inspired by the tradition of Qinglü Sanshui. Now this comma at a type is a positive, a noun phrase that describes the antecedent, the tradition of Qinglü Sanshui, a type of Chinese landscape painting, blank, by the use of blue and green hues to depict. Okay, so we cannot choose the finite verb. What I mean by finite verb, in case you don't know, is a finite verb depends on the tense and also depends on the subject and verb agreement, the singular and plural. We already got that here in the sentence. Okay, it's inspired. And then we have a noun phrase, a type of Chinese landscape painting. And to avoid the finite verb, you cannot choose A, B, and D. Okay, you gotta use a past participle phrase. Okay, to avoid the finite verb, and that's because this painting is characterized. But we cannot say is characterized. We have to say the painting characterized. Okay, so the purpose of this past participle phrase is to limit or to qualify the landscape painting, not just any kind of landscape painting, but landscape painting characterized. Or you can also kind of add like the landscape painting that is characterized, but it's better to make it concise by dropping the word that is, and that so it becomes just painting characterized by the use of blue and green hues. Again, this way you avoid having a multiple verb that doesn't associate with the subject.